This hotel in Macau is going to deploy the Huawei core devices like the router, firewall, access switch, switch core switch, and AC wireless controller as well. And you can see this is the GOKE, the Chinese made SSD. So you can see even SSD Huawei uses Chinese brand and Chinese SSD, so it's homegrown, home built 100%. So this hotel is going to use this. You see, Air Engine 9700. This is the AC, the access controller, which controls all the Wi-Fi AP, the access point, and here is the firewall and the core switch. And also you can see now this is we are now configuring the AP and core switch and AC, and also the firewall, the IP address, the policy, and see those kind of things. You see this is the AP, small AP with the 5 ports, so that you can plug in your laptop or something to use the network. Okay, and Wi-Fi here, and USB is not for charging. USB is for the IoT devices and configuration or something, I think. And this is supporting Wi-Fi 6. Now we are configuring it. We name it, give it a name to each AP, and to make it R9. On the web GUI, or you can do it on the command 9 CLI. And okay, here we got those GBIC, and also we got the access switch for the every floors of the hotel. So we got also the big AP for the outdoor. This is the round circle ones as well. So besides the wall plate, we have wall mount as well. So this hotel will be very great for Huawei 6, Wi-Fi 6.